What's up, everybody? This is just a quick test. I have some boiling eggs, a hot pot that I'm going to put on quartz. Quartz is supposed to be heat resistant, but not quite as heat resistant as granite. So I'm just going to test that. As you can see, this piece of quartz is a little sample. I'm going to use that as my test piece. It's in perfect condition. I'm going to put this hot pot right on top. This has probably been on here on high for probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So let's see what happens when you put a hot pot on top of quartz. So typically, because quartz is composed of resin, it could potentially melt and discolor the quartz. I would probably not recommend that you do this to your countertop. I'm not doing it to mine. I'm just doing it to this little sample piece. But we'll just leave it on there for a few minutes just to see what happens. I hope it doesn't melt the quartz to the pot. And yeah, so just leave it on there for a little bit longer. It's super hot. You have to wear a mitt. So just kind of move it around. Yeah. It's actually not even that warm. That's crazy. And it didn't do anything. It's just some dirt. It didn't do anything to the quartz. That's just in the quartz. Didn't melt it, didn't discolor it. So yeah, there you have it. Quartz is heat resistant. And yeah, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Hit the subscribe button and hit that like button.